Guest of honor, in his absence, chief guest, patron of the day, protocol observed. Guest of honor, in his absence, allow me to speak in Dinka. Kwaji Gui Gabia, Amijam Tomanjang, along Koto, keeping on Tomanjang, K. Florantiakan, K. Kalibajal Coin. Chiman Chanel Wele, Anike Malith Ngang Reech, and a man board. The Tangwar Chilo, K. Counsel of Private, a Chuo Quine, Kuway Koga IEC, at home of your my cake. With the ladders of the IEC. Walk a chicken gammon on the buloy. The royal on in Gabankati, banning your wig. Royal Chuloy. Royal on Ikai, very difficult thing. Who can you manage? While General Way, Channel lawyer. The way you call IEC. Election at Chuloy, who can take a thing. Katuke ba kek tao ke kar ne chake luele ka chuan chan tangdali wa ba ya chuoti election issues between a delegate system ware we tin e ko dai ga gam power ban ke payem ku ban ke boomers ku ban ke section we are taking side. It can be very difficult. That is one of the issues that you are. Can I take a section? I can take a yemi, legate boomers, legate section. But some of the leaders of those sections, they took side and it became very difficult for us. Now, how do we address that? For us to address that, take a recommendation to work. Nana constitutional review, let the constitution review. Kubeting either below a popular vote or be delegate Beke Joaki to either 1,000 or 1,500 Ayam. Ayan Machakal Ware. Machakal Datoya. Another campaign period was very long. Wakati mila kaikwan war ke kanka ache ke glowe ai mila kaikwan resources ke tokane ke ache to wakati ngidi chukwanyo ko webo e one of the issues etowa now bajala tora ntolo kura yuen kitu yengale ja kura yuen cha chwa kwan uloni chilwe war buloi in council kura yuen achuloi up to today wachi per election achuloi there is a video record to record it in a queen. I can I ran kine we are working in the can you come for us? One long video in a queen in a boat can queen. Can you have a band Polygami about in 3.5 hours so that Bapioto. But Nachiran Chir Dictorthon. Okay, legend Dictorthon. Nachi Gamma the election is fair. Then who are you to say another election is fair? That is being biased. Because in Kerala, election is fair, then we either go to a municipality or we go direct to the court. We call the election can I fair or election fair. But he was the judge. So, Victor, in your presence, I thank you so much. Koko Bakeglich. I call IEC. Counsel of Cry UN call it a quine. I can copy it. Take a quine. Child will another kitchen copy of Dongi, copy of Dongi. And then Judge Amako, I copy it. I call on a good knowledge, good understanding. We had no difficulties. One. What you lawyer, Chuloy. Kill by Jalmar, and another inauguration, Chulul Buloy. Juba Stadium. Akirot Beloy. Reason Kineroloy, Chalwar, but there were some difficulties. Along Koko Boer community, they were not happy with inauguration below Juba Stadium in presence of God. They were not happy. And the reason why you election we have fair election, we can do something. Juba Stadium, election. But it cannot possible. So you forgive us, Boer community. To them, but can you tell Boer community? Can you tell can I apologize? Koko Bakeglage, I call a Boer community, and in particular, observers to General Panwal, Kujala Panchol Jonkuch, Kujam Bank Payam event, Ale Keke Kon, Kujala observers, who agents, Longima will, Cholma will. Koke Ale Cake, Cake and Chelunware, Cake and Chelui, the Aluntel. Koko Bakeglage, I call we can walk, Koko registration, with Koko. I know very well, what the reporter will. But let me be clear to you. You make it very hard for us. We have spent the money. You have made it very hard for us, and we have spent the money to have a fair election. You have gone around. You have gone around making it difficult for us to be election very hard. I have a look deal with can be big. So now, another thing we will. Come on, you very well. Who are you guys spend? Who can't you guys spend in your way? I just walk along and take away the deal cake. Can you do? I will report to you. I will report to you. We talk about border rate because our target will fair election. Here Bajal Tao gave my advice here. Kula election ayenko yui. Unless Buran can pay core a chanachi week reaction Mikela. Lekin I will be election all pay. Take my brand to the week. Now, to your core be election, be election is an election alone to week. Or Buran Pampaya or either and Bargazal or anywhere I can actually week at your take. Your choice. A choice doing. But any jam will even walk a kajan, what you in one way or another by then. Janabuya Koji might be dealing with. But I told you Koji will. For example, and Chirianga Jack is a great lawyer who can green man who can urine. So we expect that a lot of us or many of us will be deal with an election at Chibukoja. So a young Nachi election Chialoi, Kawa Pelgumachaki election. Kaban and Jalbur. In another structures get over. Structures can along the structure any IEC. IEC have dissolved Maria. About dissolve. I don't know now, but what you can dissolve. Now, along the structures get top, along Kadir cake, a border, Kujala action for change. War symbolically, border a church dissolve. But let me tell you, when we are so good, why are you going to dissolve? They are going to do. They can have a dissolve again now. Cake I check dissolve, pay structure work. Although I get it off, but I check it dissolve. And it is the speaker because I'm going to jam. Can I have a dissolve by then? Can buy IEC have a dissolve by then? Which I can lay you there, along with the door. Well, they called you one until Uncle Makuei. Uncle Makuei, before water election, it walked all panic. Okay, walk down. Then I didn't my low election appear. We welcome. And a jam election process, she more than a children. A fair, so Ganga, by then he can Kiroloi, Robeloi. So, Honorable Makuei, later that advice, go deal quick. I said to them, Florantano, take it here, but we lay with the Boer community. jela me kwa fen kwan ko ken wo la ko kin ben ako ko ken wo ba dina mo la duale to ko thank you